Hello everyone and welcome to this flashing lights tutorial video. Today I will teach you how to install vehicle and character skins in your game. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is make sure that your computer is a 64-bit type. You're going to go to your start menu down here on the lower left, settings, system, uh, go down to about, system type. You're going to want to make sure that system type right here the 64-bit. Alright, once you confirm that, and now you're going to want to have a program or software that can unzip files such as 7-zip, WinRAR, or any other one that you might find. The next thing that you're going to need is this Unity Assets Bundle Extractor. It's going to be on this website. I'll put a link to it in the description. So once you get to this website, you're going to scroll all the way down. The releases. You're gonna want to ignore 32 bits. Click on 64-bit. You want to click on the most recent release. So it'd be this top one right here. I'm gonna click on go to here 64-bit. This second link here is a direct link. It'll directly download the zip file for the assets bundle extractor. This first one will take you over to this page. Ignore everything on this page. Make sure that this says Assets Bundle Extractor. Then you're going to click Download. I'm not going to do that because I already clicked the other link. Now once you've downloaded that, you're going to want to go into your File Explorer and make a new folder. I've already previously downloaded a couple of skins, so I already have some folders set up. I'm going to make a new folder, put it in your documents or on an external hard drive like I did. I named this one ABE. Double click it. You're then going to want to click and drag this over into that new folder. Going to right click it. You're going to want to extract all, and then it will pop up this folder right here. Once you extract the files, you can go ahead and delete this. You no longer need it. Open this folder, 64-bit. Now here's the application right here. This is what we're going to be using. Okay, so it pops up this this window right here. We can ignore it for right now. And now you're going to want to navigate to Steam. Right click on flashing lights, manage, browse local files. Here we go. Flashing lights data. Now you're going to want to back up two files. You're going to want to back up two files. The first one is called resources.assets. We're going to scroll down all the way, more like about halfway. Yes, about right here. You want to back this up, so you're going to copy it. And then you're going to make another folder. Again, you can put it in documents or on an external hard drive. Call this one, you can call this one flashing lights backup. So once you copy, hold on. So once you copy the first file, So once you copy the first file, you're going to move it over into flashing lights back. You're gonna move over into this new folder that you made. I've named it flashing lights backup. Then the second one is going to be shared assets 2.assets. Again, you're going to copy this one, paste it over here into flashing lights backup. Again, I have some skins on here, so the files in here are modded, and I don't want to overwrite these two. Reason why that you're going to want to back up these two is in case if you screw up the files, then you don't have to completely uninstall and reinstall flashing lights. You have the original files backed up. Alright, so now that you've backed up the files, you want to go back. And create another folder. Again, this folder is just for cleanliness. I've named mine flashing lights skins, and you can see I already have a couple of skins here. This is where you're going to be putting uh the files that you download. It's going to be from this website here called flmods.com. I'll put a link to this in the description. And now, find whatever you want. And so, you're going to have to create an account with flmods.com. Otherwise, you won't be able to see this download button right here. It's just going to tell you that you have to create an account to download files. So you'll have to create an account. If you already have an account, then just sign in. After you've created an account, you can go ahead and download files. So you're going to click on this download button, agree and download. Now you're going to either see one of two things. You're either going to get a zipped file, like right here, or PNG files. Doesn't matter which, it doesn't matter which, you're just going to click download. And then it's going to have a 5-second timer. And the download would appear right there. Now you're going to go to where you have put the skins out, and you're going to go ahead and click and drag this over to the skins folder. Now, if it's a zipped file like what I've got, you're going to, of course, have to use your unzipper and extract it. And it's right here. It's here, right down there. Now, I can delete this. And now, here comes the easy part. So, we're going to go ahead. Oh, I jumped up there. We're going to go ahead, open this up, open that up, and now here are the different skins. So this one is the Charger. That's the Explorer. Looks like the Tahoe and the Crown Vic. If you don't have the right skin on, it'll look weird. And so then you want to gonna do one other thing. You want to copy and paste the vehicle file locations. So like for this one, I'm gonna do. Let's do the black gun mark. Let's put this under the black gun mark. So you're gonna Control C. You're gonna copy. You're gonna copy this. It's going to for the police vehicles. It's gonna have this dash marked or dash black, white, or gray unmarked. You're gonna want to copy everything prior to the hyphen, to the dash. So again, you're gonna copy it, and now you're gonna go to your Unity Assets Bundle Extractor. Click File, Open. Navigate to the game files. Also on this place right here, you're gonna want to take a look at this right here, the location. All the vehicles have the location of resources.assets. So you're gonna want to find resources.assets. Again, it's gonna be a little bit further, gonna be a little bit halfway down. Click on it, open. Now you're gonna get this little window coming up here. Go down, click this bottom option, click OK. Gonna open it up. Now it's gonna pop up with this window. Click on name, then type. What you've just done is you sorted by name and then by type. Now you're gonna click on view, search by name. I'm gonna paste the file location that you have just copied from up here into here. Then you're gonna click OK. Now this is pretty important. In this type field, you're going to ensure that it says texture 2D. If it doesn't say texture 2D, then you need to keep searching. Now you're going to click on plugins, edit, OK. Going to click load. Now you're going to navigate to wherever you placed your flashing light skins folder. And we are modifying the charger. So we're going to click on the charger, open, click OK, click OK. And now it's fine. Actually, hold on. We can set a timer. Let's go ahead and set a timer and see how long it actually takes for you to input files. So here we go. And we're going to start the timer here. Let's do the Crown Vic black unmarked next. Go C, come over here, view, search by name, select all that. Then you're going to control V, click OK. Ensure that this says texture 2D, plugins, edit, OK, load, Crown Vic, click open, click OK, click OK. And it only took about 30 seconds for us to input another skin. Again, it's just that simple. I'm going to do it one more time. This time we're going to go on the black unmarked for the Explorer. We're going to copy all this prior to the dash. Go to your assets, go to your assets bundle extractor, view, search by name, select all this text. I'm going to paste that, what you previously copied. Click OK. Sure this says texture 2D. Plugins. Edit. OK. Load. Select the correct file. Click open. Click OK. Click OK. And now you're good. Okay, so once you've imported all of your skins that you want. So for me, I just did those 3 as a demonstration. I'm going to go to the bottom of this window. Click OK. Would you like to save changes? Yes, you want to save your changes. It's going to tell you where do you want. It's going to now ask you where you want to save them. So for me, I would navigate to your skins folder. Now you're going to make sure if you done everything right, the file name will say resources, and the type will be a Unity assets file. I'm going to click save. This window will close by itself. Now you are done. If you want, you can X out of this. I'm just going to minimize it for now. Now you're going to go ahead and copy the resource assets file. So copy, go over to here. You're going to paste it. It's going to ask you what you want to do with this because, of course, it's already a named file that's in here, as you can see right there. You're going to want to replace it. And then your skins have just been imported. And so now you can launch the game. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and go into the vehicle configuration menu. And we change the Charger, the Crown Vic, and the Explorer. So right here on the Crown Vic, we're going to go to Appearance. It was the black one. You can see your skin in the game. And we changed the Charger also. Appearance. Yep, that looks changed. Then the Explorer. It's also been changed. And that's that. Again, it's the same for the character skins. However, the hats, fire, and EMS skins are under that under the shared assets 2 assets resource file. They're under that other file that I made you back up. The police skins are under the resources assets file. And that's everything. You just wanna. Another thing that I suggest is deleting the file in. What is it? If you ever want to reload and want to put any more skins on, one of the things I would suggest is deleting the file that you would need to edit in here, just so that it doesn't have to do anything weird. And it really doesn't take all that long to put in skins. Again, it only took us about 30 seconds once we got everything downloaded and installed. That's everything. Have a good day, everyone.